Hi all, welcome to CFL Repeaters YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter number 3 in the SFM syllabus, security analysis. Basically, under security analysis chapter, the security analysis is divided into fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis means the present value of future dividend. Under fundamental analysis, the value of the stock will be calculated based on the present value of future dividends. Okay, which also termed as intrinsic value. The basic funda here is, if the market price of a stock is below the intrinsic value, then we should bought that stock, and if a market price of the stock is more than the intrinsic value, then we sold that stock. Like that, the decision will be taken under fundamental analysis. And for example, if a company providing a uniform dividend, then how that price will be calculated will be shown here. Okay, price is equals to D divided by 1 plus K, that is interest rate, required rate of return. K means required rate of return, plus D divided by 1 plus K whole square plus D divided by 1 plus K whole cube, and so on. This is a formula for calculating intrinsic value of a stock when uniform dividends are given. And if that can be simply shown it as P equals to D by K. Next, example 2, where constant growth is there in the dividend. Means in first year, whatever the dividend is given, for that, for second year some growth will be there, some growth percentage will be there. Then the formula will be price equals to D1 divided by 1 plus K plus D1 into 1 plus G divided by 1 plus K whole square plus D1 into 1 plus G whole square divided by 1 plus K whole cube, and so on. This can be reflected as P0 equals to D1 divided by K minus G. And if D1 is not given, if D0 is given, then D0 into 1 plus G divided by K minus G is the formula. Okay. The basically for calculation of the intrinsic value, we should analyze the economy, three things: economy analysis, industry analysis, and company analysis. Under fundamental analysis, we are going to discuss economy analysis, industry analysis, and company analysis in detail. And next video, we can able to discuss about the economy and industry and company analysis in detail. Next, the other part of the security analysis, technical analysis. Technical analysis is basically assumes that share price trends are repetitive. The technical analysis, the basic assumption under the technical analysis is share price trends are repetitive. Next, it answers two basic questions. The technical analysis of security will be answers two basic questions. One is there describable trend in the price? Is there any trend in the price? And if the trend is there, then are there indicators that the trend would reverse? That means first question is, if there is a trend, it answers the question, answers that question. And if there is a trend, is there any indications of reversal of trend? So the technical analysis provides these basic questions. Okay. Next, assumptions. Assumptions under technical analysis are: market value depends on the demand and supply. Means market price of a stock depends upon the demand and supply of a particular stock. Next, second point is, stock prices are generally move in trends which continues for sustainable period of time. Which means like for say example, uptrend, downtrend, sideways are the trends in the stock. Uptrend means it continuously goes up and up day after day or week after week. Downtrend means it continuously the price of the stock is falling day by day or week by week. Okay. Next, sideways means some particular levels are there and top level is there, bottom level is there, and the price should be moving in between for some period of time. That is only the assumption under the technical analysis. Next, third point is it relies on chart analysis which shows past trends. Under technical analysis, people depends on the chart analysis which provides the previous trends. Okay. Next, why? Because it depends on the previous trends only. Next, the principles under the technical analysis are market discounts everything. First point. Second point is market price moves in trends, and third point is history tends to repeat itself. So basically we have covered the main introductory matters under the chapter 3 security analysis of strategic financial management in CA final. Thanks for watching. Bye.